Welcome to this tutorial on creating and editing pages in WordPress. If you've ever wanted to build your own pages or update existing ones on your website, this video will guide you through the entire process step by step. By the end, you'll be confident in managing your website's pages like a pro. Let's get started. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to your WordPress website. Once the homepage loads, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click on the login option. This will take you to the login page where you can access your WordPress account. You'll see several ways to sign in, but the easiest and most secure option is Continue with Google. Click that. Then select your Google account from the list or add a new one if needed. After signing in, you'll be directed to your WordPress dashboard. From here, focus on the left-hand sidebar. This is your main control panel where you'll find all the tools for managing your site. Locate and click on the section labeled Pages. This opens your Pages overview. Here, you can see every page on your website, both published and drafts. It's a great place to get a clear picture of your site's structure and easily access what you want to change. And to create a new page, look for the button near the top that says Add Page. Click it, and a fresh blank page editor will open. You'll notice two main areas, the title field and the content editor. Start by giving your page a name, like About Us or Contact. Then, in the content area, begin adding your text, images, videos, or any other elements you want to include. This space is your creative canvas, so feel free to design it however you like. If you want to plan your layout, take a moment to structure your content in sections. This makes it easier to edit later and keeps your page organized for visitors. Now let's talk about editing existing pages. To make changes, head back to the Pages section in your dashboard. Hover over the page you want to update and you'll see two options: Edit and Quick Edit. Clicking Edit opens a full page editor where you can make detailed adjustments, such as updating the text, adding new media, or changing the layout. If you only need to make small tweaks, like renaming the page, adjusting the URL slug, or changing its visibility, choose Quick Edit. Once you've made your changes, don't forget to click Update or Publish to save them. WordPress will instantly apply your edits to the live website. And that's it. You've just learned how to create and edit pages in WordPress. These simple tools form the foundation for building a well-structured, engaging website. As you continue exploring WordPress, you'll discover more ways to customize your pages and enhance your site's design and functionality. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick WordPress tips. Keep creating, keep experimenting, and enjoy building your site with confidence.